since our otumfo dissolve Kumasi Asante Kotoko board no ade eche na osori bia de obetene say papa we neighbor na the latest person na the din about on board Kudjoe Fianoo, former CEO of Ashanti Gold and currently onu ne din abetodwa osaye the chairman of GACA asemna etisen ankasa me de bro ewofie ha Mudasiru Salifu Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Obeka say last year in 2022 ena onya akwanya call loan ewo club a friend Sheriff FC. Now after that was moving on a call loan deal ewo Saudi Arabia. Ni nyina abawie was back to Kumasi, back to Ghana, or Baba Kotoko na reports in the muse or back to Kotoko. Details no ewo hasi. Morocco Masamoja I comment be after Morocco or we experiencing your man somewhat jana semo kind ewa ha me de bro angelic fixtures e be release and na GFA Congress baso ewo the Great Hall KNUST these and many more and yatna si ewo the academic and mature talk sports we say academic and mature talk sports minu andom bi ebi channels ni bi gidi enye Kotoko 1 has 1 academic and mature sports and yatsina sia ye bro na me say unsubscribe ya wadaroma no subscribe Kumasi Asante Kotoko TV Accra Hasufu TV aha Super 24 TV wadaroma unsubscribe ya na subscribe ni a build a family no together me say tembia no otumfo nyankopon e maye ntiase say ni ntiase asemba ebeka achiachia nepa wa no akodi panyi bi atem abra na ni kwan say nkasa bi sebi wo kasa me de nsem no ebebro but before that let's take this message as a light for our path. It is very important yemfa a light for our path the message for a light for our path ne say otate statement bi or say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, or a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Minya, utie me, hemi baby, I will free be a yentie ni ensha no so. Entirely wrong, but yen kanchiro. It is wrong to say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step or one step. The TN say the actual or the correct statement is that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with the right step. Pacho uti. Sa 1,000 miles journey now person will shall see no. In beginning with just any step, it begin with a right step. Sa wo Kumasi, na okwa nkran. Na wo de wani kire swame runabout no so. Na wo yi fam swame magazine. Na wo namu magazine swame makru. Na wo kokronoma eye tamale bogatanga na wo de wani kire wo jani no wo se wo konkran but wo de wani a kire swame sa wo konkran a o right step eye sa take kwan no so na wo nam take mrum hwan edwo so enem na de wo bekwa kopi Accra but wo ka say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with the step into what to step bia wo kwa binua ansa na wo Accra na wo pese wo kono wakọ ne nam soame ne nam tamale tachiman ne fu a wa ben ne nyasem ketwa enti al tama wo be hu ze wa ben ne fu no na wa wani twie ne 1 gallon nam be de wo enti menua wo hwɛ me anopei wo hwɛ me awie wo hwɛ me anwumere our message for our light for our path ne say a journey of 1,000 miles don't begins with a step or any step. It begins with the right step. Yentie na yenhye ne nso utumfo nyankopon ema yenti ase na yemfa message we embo yekotokuom ne yensamfa mbo yekotodwem ne yemfa enante Kotoko yemba back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko ya yediem krobi Asante Kotoko Asante man yenie o aye okun yenim ku enie yenim adwane be say Kotoko no transition ba bia emu yede new management, new board, bonse moral no was but what my main fact information I want on what's Kudjoe Fianoo? Kudjoe Fianoo asem no. The TN say Kudjoe Fianoo ubi enu wa consider ne say or the Kotoko be mano. Yes, this is an established fact. Kudjoe Fianoo ene Kumasi based radio station na ye frɛ no Akoma FM. Ene kotwe nkomo. Ena obubusa say, "Hey, na Kotoko adwuma Kudjoe Fianoo." Ena ewiase hwan na ewo esogu na numa ompe. Obubusa no say, "Hey, Kotoko, oyo opi. Sa kwanya ne ba meye." So, eno nkyerɛ sɛ mpanyifo eni ni di nkomo behind the scenes. But on ti Kudjoe Fianoo asɛm no. Fact check ne say over the bar Kudjoe Fianoo is not being considered for the Kumasi Asante Kotoko job as a CEO. That is over the bar. Mudasiru Salifu is back in town after a long spell. Odikan call FC Sharif. Ena osenya akwenya call Albertin ewo Saudi Arabia. Na Albertin omo na tama na wo FC Sharif mo be ka say photo famous photo bi ba bonte that time na zero champion zero Ronaldo ewo Old Trafford but na nyoma mfasa famous photo bi ba bonte oni Cristiano Ronaldo etwa after that and o call Albertin into o call Albertin no months after and Ronaldo deal nso e call the new club was Saudi Arabia. But currently Albertin loan nso abaye obeko no sign 2 years ma club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enti still na emaneye Kotoko player enu nti na waba back to Osei Krom Ghana no. But the agents are working wakuhunu top level. Me nkomo we meeting no off air nkomo na me dey ma. It is going to be very difficult for Kotoko to maintain him. The agents no say his car afan accounts mu no. Very difficult say ebia Kotoko. Waba back currently a Kotoko player, but the possibility is that Bojibeka say he ain't gonna stay at Kotoko. On the contract now can abo, but anything can happen. Ebinswa, well, Sonia na marrying, I say, well, wakuhu ska kese, but still a bit masaba, wa bebo na ne profile na sa akosura mana. Memre da in nature, but the intelligence are make packages and the agents no is working around the clock, so obviously finding another club elsewhere. Amano, not Ghana. So that's it on Salifu Mudasiru. Asamoah essay Yinsuande. Oko Morocco play big role now help Morocco football infrastructure now. Or say Ghanaians, let's humble ourselves and learn. Especially from the Morocco for Morocco I qualify Eco Paris. Egypt are qualify Eco Paris. Morocco Nigeria tournaments until automatically or qualify. Egypt second place or qualify. Third place Mali and so qualify. And Guinea will D fourth. According to regulations, Guinea ebekwa playoff against Asian almost representative back. Nti obe win no abeka ho na ye 4 no omoko. Sa wentimi nso de na Asian ni no e de akoso ne de so na omoko. This is the regulation. Otumfo nyankopon emainti ase. Omo ano mubusa, omo ano moko Paris no challenge. Paris no na ye nyina ye target. Oman we mu aye den. Oman mu team. Inti nka Ghana Black Meteors for no qualify pa dia. Nka Paris ne de. Nka unia. Aha YouTube nka. There be YouTube ne de ye njai because agudi ensem ne de ye de gemu. Ba bi e wo bia no. And once you the camera na see so na information no enya ba ye be record the obi ade de ahwema e bia nka Paris na nka obetime nka but Black Meteors for 91 qualify it's still na you bom wo kro dade Ghana ding kro dade enya bete ma me for no muton nuane wa bonten aduane no koto a wo tema wo wi a wo ha aduane ne san say wo de no wote ana say akora bi de no wote ama no o man my thing and the GFA Congress na eba so activity reports on be discuss it honorable Mustafa abeba and election abeba so Congress as a afiaso ekoya bobo nyoma bi e wo se agitum ni age atum the engine tum ni abagu football for and e ko decide the central for ebekwa akotete ho the ebeto from bia e be bro ewo Super 24 TV no so league fixtures July ebeba bonting Accra folk coach for Accra folk ni coach Accra folk ni coach but coach is been a machiri apply for the job but Accra folk for episode mo head hands the memati no Super 24 TV enya tohope ye de bebro ofia pacho utumfo nyankopon enka ho ye wo ye bia onto ni super no enuso emma me de usia echa bebre me ko